Oh my god, look how good this looks. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Foodie Fridays with Meg. So today is part 2 of Sala Thai kitchen meal kits. Today we are making the Khao Soi, I said it right, which includes curry. This meal kit is a bomb, coming in clutch with all of the ingredients. And again, in case you don't know how to prep it, you can just scan it and it will take you to a video on how to do so. So we're gonna get a medium pot. Oh yes, look at that color. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat. Okay, so we're gonna wait for it to bubble and I'll be back. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet. Curry is now boiling, so we're gonna add the chicken. And he goes. Get in there, bud. Oh, there we go. It's raw chicken. Wash your hands. So now we just wait for the chicken to cook, and then we're gonna add in the noodles. Damn, this cooks fast. Literally been like what, 10 minutes, not even. I'm just gonna make sure it's fully cooked and overcook it for like a minute, because chicken's one thing that you just don't want to mess around with. Now we open the noodles. Oh, it's wrapped again. It's so squishy. And then we're just gonna mix it, and then we're gonna cook for 1 minute, and it's done. Look at that beautiful orange color. And if you want, it also says that you can add a boiled egg, but honestly, I'm not really feeling egg today, so I'm not gonna add that. And it's done. Oh my god, this is really heavy. Spoon's in the way. Look at that.
Les poils étaient pignons, les vitons j'étais, et les jantons les opas, les chichons.
My arm is breaking. And then we wipe on edge of bowl so we don't get the drip. Okay, there's still a lot of dripping, but it's okay. It's okay. Cut. Okay, I did not garnish this very nicely, but it's okay. Oh, what is that? Seaweed? Oh, I love seaweed. Oh, it's like dried onion. Okay, it's like, or sorry, fried onion. So we're just gonna sprinkle that a little bit everywhere. Oops, okay. Or just dump it. And next we add the fried noodle. All right, voila. Wait, we gotta wipe the sides. We gotta wipe the sides to make it look all cute. I am Chef Sue after all. Okay, this looks pretty good. I'm impressed. Bam! Ta-da! It looks pretty good. Smells amazing. And yeah, let's just
dig right into it.
Okay, so before we dig in, I just want to give a quick shout out to Sala Kitchen again for sending me these bomb meal kits. Like, guys, seriously, go check them out. Also, if you'd like to get a discount, just use my code that is right here. Let's dig in. But I'm gonna try and get a little bit, oops. Oh my god, look how good this looks. I love these. That is fresh. Ooh. That is fresh ginger. Oh my Lanta. This curry is so good. Get my ginger in there. Disclaimer, do not eat the ginger on its own. That literally punched me in the back of my throat. Oh my god, 10 out of 10. Honestly, I think this is my favorite, and then the pad thai, because I love curry, and it's not too spicy. It has like a very little kick, but it's like the perfect amount. And those ginger pieces literally add so much flavor to it. Alright guys, so that is it for today's episode of Foodie Fridays with Meg. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It helps me a lot, guys. Please and thank you. Leave a comment, let me know if you guys like this dish better, or the pad thai one that I made last time. If you didn't see that, it's in the description below. New episodes every Friday, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Mixed chick from the 6. Spike, chill.